Welcome to Naseems Accountants YouTube channel, your trusted source for UK tax tips and self-assessment guidance. In this video, we're going to show you how to report student loan and postgraduate loan repayments on your self-assessment tax return. If you're employed and have loan repayments taken from your salary, it's essential you report them correctly, and we'll guide you step by step. On your tax return, go to Section 4. Here, you'll be asked about student loan and postgraduate loan repayments that were deducted by your employer. You'll need to enter the total amount deducted during the tax year. This figure is shown on your P60, the summary of pay and deductions your employer gives you after the end of the tax year. If you changed employers during the year, you'll need to check payslips from each employer, not just the latest one. Add up all the repayments shown. Don't include any voluntary payments or overseas direct debit payments you may have made yourself. If you're missing payslips, contact your previous employer to get the correct figures. Sometimes, your tax return may already show an amount in this section. If it's correct, click Yes and then Save and Continue. If it's wrong, select No and enter the correct amount manually. Be sure to tell HMRC why the figure is different and include the documents and dates that support your correction. HMRC will cross-check this with your employer's records to ensure HMRC calculates your repayments accurately. You must also report any benefits you received that were taxed through your employer's payroll. You can find this on the employment section of your tax return. Ask your employer if you're unsure of the figure. For more guidance, book your free consultation today at 01217714161 or visit us at naseems.co.uk. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert advice from Naseems Accountants.